Guys, so welcome back to our video. So today, it's gonna be me singing I Watched the Moon Live and Can't Think of You. But it's not gonna be like I'm gonna be singing I watched the moon, let it run my mood. Can't stop thinking of you. But not the full song, like shorts of it, you know. Ready? And you just can't call a spade a spade. I watch the moon, let it run my mood. Can't stop thinking of you. I watch the moon. So no nice to know you. I'll be moving on. Okay, guys, that's it. So I know it's like kind of short, but I just wanted to make like a video because I haven't done it in a long time. But yeah, love you guys. Hope you have a great day and like, subscribe, and comment. Now, everyone out.